A collection like this doesn't come by itself. Yes, a number of these products have been sent to me for free, but a number of these products have been purchased by myself. I've been spending a long time building up this collection. Maybe you want to try some new products. Maybe you want to buy them with a little bit of peace of mind to test out different things you may not have tried before, to work out what's good for you. How do you get your hands on trial size products or things you may not have considered buying before? Well, something like this might be the idea. So this is Motorcrate. It is a subscription service for detailing products. This one is the detailer kit. This is a little guide that tells you what is in the box. Each box has a different theme for a different topic. In this case, it's wheels and tires. Included in here for this particular box is this short pile edgeless microfiber towel, an Autobrite Direct air freshener, always handy. Rather than always having sample size bottles, this is a full size bottle of Autobrite Direct Bright Gel, a gel based wheel cleaner. Along with that, a sample size bottle of Carchem Iron Detox iron fallout remover, a 100ml bottle, and a sample size bottle of Auto Beads tire dressing. This one is also 100ml. The guide card that comes in the box tells you about all these products, what they do, how they work, and how you should use them, so you won't be lost if this is something new to you. This is a dual foam applicator for tire dressings, a stiff foam on the back and a soft curved foam on the front. Plus a small sprayer for the iron detox and a large one for the bright gel. And just in case you are an environmentalist worried about waste, these packing peanuts are actually made from cornstarch. Stick them in your sink, let them get wet, and they disappear to just about nothing to be safely flushed down the drain. And the box itself is cardboard, widely easily recycled. It's a good idea. So let's have a look here at this particularly filthy wheel. It wasn't all that long ago that I cleaned it for a video. You can see there's still a tire dressing on the tire there. It's still very hydrophobic, but the wheels have picked up a fair amount of grime. So they do need a tidy up. And this is the nice thing about a subscription box. You may get a product in there that you've never thought to try before. In this case, I have never actually tried the Autobrite Direct Bright Gel. This is a lemon and lime scented gel based wheel cleaner, which, as you can see, I'm not able to get the use of because, well, the spray trigger died before I got a chance to use it. So a quick swap over from another bottle and we can get going. Like I said, I've never tried this before. I've tried very few Autobrite Direct products actually, but I've heard some good things. This is a fantastic, colourful product, and that gel does allow the product to actually dwell on the wheel and tyre. Some of them tend to run away. This one sticks around, which is nice. It also mentions on the bottle you should spray this onto your tyres, though it doesn't talk about scrubbing down your tyres after you've sprayed it on, which is kind of interesting. Now the boxes themselves, they are, for this particular box, the detailer box, £19.95 plus £2.95 for shipping. There's also an enthusiast box available for £10 more, for £29.95, and you get more products in that each month, so it's a larger, fancier box available to you if you fancy it. Now you can also buy these boxes without a subscription as a one-off if you prefer. And that's certainly an idea if you want to give it a try. If you think this box has some decent products that you want to give a go and you don't want to go spending anywhere from 8 to 12, 13 pounds per product, then this box might be the ideal situation for you. I have a discount code for you if you want to give it a try. It is Specky20. Make sure you use that at the checkout at the end if you want to try this. I don't get anything out of it. It's simply a discount available to you guys for watching this video if you're interested. I also get lots of questions about which gloves I'm wearing. As you can see, these gloves I've got on are the orange and black waterproof, weatherproof, thermally lined gloves. I've got a link down in the description below to a set of gloves on Amazon if you guys want to try them out. Definitely a great idea for the winter time. Keeps my hands dry and warm while I am out working in the horrible conditions. So you can see there the wheel and tire are now looking really good. That's a really nice turnaround. Good product. For the dressing, because there was the remnants of some dressing from previously, I decided to clean up this tire separately so you could get a better idea. This is the auto bead dressing here. It's a runny gel-like consistency. It's a little bit sticky. Takes a little bit of work to go around. But using this applicator, you do get some good even coverage. Just make sure to take your time and work it around. But you'll see the difference in a moment. From a dry, undressed tire. There you go, there's your 50/50. That's a nice clean tire that's been scrubbed down with an all-purpose cleaner. And there's the dressing on the other side. You can layer this dressing if you want a more glossy look. But this is good enough for me. So I've got all the links down in the description below if you want to check out this crate. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.